What's up, drivers? Welcome to the Karrpool lane. Today we have an electric adventure for you. It's a hybrid EV ride with Optima Unplugged here at the 2024 King of Hammers. And if you haven't watched my gas-powered adventure yet, click on the link above to go watch that when you're done. Y'all, it is day whatever 1000 here at King of Hammers, and today Optima is doing their Unplugged ride. It's an EV event where they're going to be ripping through these hills in their Rivians. There's a Cybertruck, there's just a regular Tesla model whatever with some off-road tires, so it's going to be super cool to watch. I'm going to be out there kind of filming them at some spots, giving you guys a shot of what they're doing. Alright, y'all, media crew is set up waiting for the electric vehicles to come quietly through here. Behind the scenes of the shoot, it is raining. We have caught them at 2 of the spots. Now we are at 1 of the final spots. Still coming down out here, but gotta do what you gotta do to get the shot. Are back in our beautiful Oasis. Got to see a lot of cool, quiet EVs doing pretty cool stuff. There was that Cybertruck that just sent it up that dune, which was super cool. It's a big turnout for this event, super cool. So if you guys are interested or have an EV, definitely check out Unplugged at King of Hammers by Optima. Another electric day here at the Optima Oasis. We're doing another EV ride with all these sweet electric vehicles. I think today we're also kind of chasing the everyman's race. I am gonna ride in one of these, which I'm super excited for. I'm hoping I get to send it in the Tesla truck. Right, our ride has been selected. We are taking the Rivian overlanding mobile. I'm excited for this. I've never been in one. Let's go. The EV crowd's getting rowdy. We've busted another beat on the run, doing some donuts on the Rivian.
This is not a piece of food. Like that looks like bacon. They're just too...
All right, we've made it out to the Overland experience out here at King of Hammers with the whole EV group. Well, maybe not the whole of them. We lost a couple. Guy lost a bead on his tires. Our SUV Rivian, the suspension is not working on it, so we're just clapping out on that thing. But still pretty cool, man. These things are nice. So we're gonna get some lunch and then probably go head out. And you know Optima threw another party for us when we got back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this electric adventure. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.